the army has been called in to help restore power in Jammu and Kashmir. This as Jammu and Kashmir is facing a major power breakdown amidst an extreme cold wave that has pushed large parts of Jammu and Kashmir to the brink, as thousands of employees of the Power Development Department have gone on an indefinite strike. Let's go across to Naseer Masoodi. Naseer, of course, we want to know what the strike is about, what these 20,000 employees are protesting against. But first, what is the situation on the ground when it comes to the restoration of power? There's a brutal cold wave that is moving across the north of India. And yesterday, I think Jammu and Kashmir were reporting -6 degrees Celsius when it came to their temperatures.
Yeah, exactly. Large parts of Jammu and Kashmir are reeling under intense cold wave, and we see unprecedented power breakdown in Jammu and Kashmir. Most parts of 20 districts across Jammu and Kashmir are facing power outage for last 2 days now. And now this evening, the Divisional Commissioner of Jammu, he made a requisition to the army that they should come to the assistance of the government and restore the power supplies. Soon after that, we saw pictures circulating on social media showing army has actually reached to the grid stations, helping to restore power supply. And officials are saying around 50% power supply has been restored in Jammu, some areas of Jammu. That is what officials are claiming. But on the ground, things are very, very bad. It is complete, blackout in most parts of Jammu and Kashmir in last 2 days. And who would have imagined that the administration would call army to restore power in a place like Jammu and Kashmir? What employees are saying, they're saying something which has not been done in any state of Jammu and Kashmir, where you are actually handing over the power, entire power infrastructure, your assets to the private companies or the Power Grid Corporation of India. If it has not happened to any other state of India, why it is being done in Jammu and Kashmir? I spoke to many of these union leaders, power employees. They are saying, look, what they have been demanding, they wanted to talk to the principal secretary of the Power Department, who also happens to the principal secretary to the Lieutenant Governor. He is a UP cadre IS officer who is here. He is here since Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha took over last year. So he has not met them. And instead, a Divisional Commissioner of Jammu was sent to talk to those officers, and that has not happened. We saw in the videos the representatives of the Power Employees Union is talking, giving their 4 points. What are their demands? Why they are protesting? Why they have been actually negotiating with the government for last 2 years, but nothing is happening. Instead, the assets and the resources of Jammu and Kashmir are to be actually put on sale. That has become the major point, and they are also saying even their salaries are not being released. That is the point. There are delegates who their services are not being regulated despite putting the requisite number of years, many years back. So 4 demands, and the biggest demand is that there should not be privatization. The assets which have been created by the successive governments in Jammu and Kashmir should not be given to the private players or the private companies in Jammu and Kashmir. That remains a big point, and the Regional Commissioner Jammu, he actually talked during a press conference a short while from now. He's saying there are reforms and some policy decisions which may not be taken back. So clearly showing that this confrontation and this strike may continue, and the army has actually reached, as we see in the pictures, to these grid stations and the receiving station in Jammu. Looks like this the confrontation between the employees. There are 20,000 government employees who are on strike from midnight Friday. Sarah.
All right, Naseer Masoodi reporting there. Thank you for joining us. Meanwhile, while the government, the authorities say that the grievances of the protesting workers there are being addressed, it is on the ground the common man who's paying the price.
That none of the service condition, the pay structure, the salary, the pensionary benefits, none of it would be altered to the disadvantage of any of the employees of the Power Development Department. MD of the corporations have clearly told that a mechanism can be evolved to ensure that there is a hassle-free and a streamlined, timely payment system. So I think that always can be worked out. There was certain demand of regularization. For that also there is already a mechanism of a qualifying criteria in place. the issues pertaining to the joint venture that has been there. Already the government has agreed that it has been put to hold. There can be a working group to work out the further modalities for the same.
As temperatures in Kashmir plunged, Srinagar recorded -6 degrees. No electricity in most parts of 20 districts since yesterday. 20,000 power department employees are on indefinite strike in J&K. They are protesting against the government decision to merge J&K PDD with the power grid and hand over assets to private companies. Since Friday midnight, employees have stopped working.
It is a systematic transfer of assets which will take place, which we are opposing. It is the fight of the people that we are fighting. It is not any demand of 1 rupee also that we are asking for.
कल हमको भी बोलेंगे कि आप है ही नहीं कुछ. हमने इस तरह आज डेलीवेजन से लेकर चीफ इंजीनियर तक सारे मुलाजिमीन बिजली आज ये प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं.
At this wooden joinery mill, workers say they are without work for last 2 days after power supply was stopped. Meanwhile, residents are protesting over the blackout.
ड्यूटी प्रशासन होश में आओ. हम मानते हैं बिजली को प्राइवेट किया जा रहा है, मगर महकमे को नजरअंदाज करके डिपार्टमेंट अगर या ड्यूटी प्रशासन अगर अपनी मनमानी करेगा तो इसका जो भी रिजल्ट है वो ठीक नहीं होगा.
2 दिनों से तो बिल्कुल बिजली है ही नहीं. जब से एम्प्लॉय ने स्ट्राइक किया है, गवर्नमेंट को चाहिए कि इनकी तरफ ध्यान दे दे और हमारा भी काम चले.
The government says they have initiated talks with striking employees, but instead of Power Secretary, it is the Divisional Commissioner Jammu that invited power employees for talks. So far, no headway seems to have been made. Blackout in most parts of Jammu and Kashmir due to strike by 20,000 power department employees amid fears of losing power department assets to private companies. And it is the common man who is impacted most in these extreme cold conditions in Kashmir. In Srinagar, Nazir Masoodi, for NDTV.